my name is Kushi, and today I will be showcasing my app called Nova. So to start, we are on the landing page, which is also our sign-in page, and you have 4 options. You can pick from signing in with a username and password, signing with Google, signing up an account, or continuing with a guest account. So for now, we're going to continue with a guest account. Once you finish signing up or signing in or continuing with a guest account, you will be forwarded to this page where you can choose between 3 things. You can choose between Mode 1, which is your idea refinement, Mode 2, which is your market validation, and Mode 3, which is your AI mentor chat. So we'll start from the beginning with idea refinement. So right here, we have our idea refinement. On our side panel here, you can see the option to create a new venture session, go back to previous logs, change from light mode to dark mode at whatever is wanted, and adjusting settings whichever are needed. Here at the bottom, you can upload any files, you can type in whatever you need, and up top, you can jump back and forth between the modes. You can also sign out. So to start with our demonstration, I will type in a business idea and it will take it and respond. So it responded and it gives you an industry sector, a target customer, a name that you can call like a business name, a recommended budget, advisor insights, required resources, etc. Now, once you're done here, you can ask it any other questions if you want to change it. And once you're done here, you can go to step 2. Step 2 will save whatever you have here, and it will help you run financial projection, which is in step 2. Once you have your business, once it gets going, this is for maintaining the business. It shows a projection of how like you have done throughout the years. So for this, the user would need to upload whatever papers they have or whatever they have that shows information to actually create a real one that shows the profit, losses, etc. So it gives you a graph and it gives you a short explanation on each year, and it gives you different strategies. Now it gives you build a 10-page slide deck for whenever you are when you are wanting investors or partners. It's like a short slide deck that's about 10 pages that covers the minimum amount of whatever needs to be covered that the user can use to take and build off on and make it more their idea. So at least they have something to start off with. And then this feature on this side is a SWOT matrix and a competitor analysis. Basically, it runs a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats based on whatever the user has inputted, and it gives you competitors. It gives you like what they do, what advantages they have, and what we can do to go be a more successful than them. So once you're done here and you inputted everything you need, you can go to you can use this to do whatever you want. So this is technically not step 3, but you can use this. It's like an AI chatbot. This is used for more specific things, like if you want more detailed explanations. Thank you.